Okay, good morning, dear students. Continue with the way we used to display data by using different type of graphs. In the last class, we talked about bar models or bar graphs. Today, we are going to make a difference between bar graph and the histogram. We usually or frequently use the histograms for continuous data. Okay, for continuous data. So for example, an example of continuous data is we are going to make a survey about heights in primary. So we start the first class with 0 up to 120. Remember the symbols of greater than, less than. Okay, here I am including 120. The next class from 120 to 125. The next class from 126 to 130, the next class from 131 up to 135, the next class for 136 and 140. So we make a survey and we found that 25 students from primary, okay, belongs to the first class, 35 to the second class, 40 to the next class, 65 to the next class, and for the last class, 75 students. If I add all them, I found a total of 5 by 5, 10, 15, 20. I carry 2, 4, 7, 11, 17, plus 7, 24 students in total. Now, I'm going to make the histogram. Okay? So first of all, the title, that is one important part, the title, I need to label the axis, okay? So here I have the frequency axis, that is the y-axis, and here the x-axis are the heights that I'm going to use, okay? The heights. So I start with the first class. Okay, that there are 25 students, so from 0 to 25 is here, so I draw the bar. Okay, for the next class, from 121 up to 125, 35 students, so I choose 35 students. For the next class, 40 students. For the next class, 65 students, and for the last class, 75 students. Notice that here there are no gaps between the bars. Okay, and that is the main difference between a bar graph and a histogram. Okay, another thing that is important is to label the x and y axis. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know by email. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye.